What's up guys, Ryan back here again for another Amazon video teaching you guys one of my favorite ways to do product research. And no, it's not Jungle Scout. It's so obvious, just like the title says, one of the craziest, most overlooked product research ways that is free. You get really accurate data, and it's brought me some pretty awesome products. So if you guys are in the Amazon space, you've heard of Jungle Scout, Fire Launch, maybe even the low technique that I showed you using merchant words. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link up there. Go check that out because that's a pretty neat trick on finding some pretty hot selling products that have relatively low reviews. But you gotta dig into it just like anything. So I really recommend checking that out. It helped me out too. Anyway, yeah, if you guys are liking this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe because the more people who subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I know it's good content. I'm going down the right route for what my audience wants. You know, if you guys just watch it and then just go on to another video, I won't be able to find these different techniques that nobody else is really talking about, right? That's what I want to specialize on this channel, is talking about special product research ways that other people are not necessarily talking about. Talking about real estate, where not a lot of people, specialize in wholesaling, flipping houses. More about like real estate agents and finding leads and this and that, or crypto and doing technical analysis rather than just like reviewing certain random coins and stuff that they don't really know what they're talking about without any info behind it. So like I was saying before, this way of doing product research I really like because you're getting direct to the source, you're getting exact data, and you're able to go to the same place over and over and get a pretty consistent list of products that are doing really well. So if you guys think about it, like, what did people do back in the day before they had all these special tools like Jungle Scout, Fire Launch, Merchant Words, whatever? There's a whole bunch of new ones coming out because Amazon's a whole craze. So you're gonna see a lot of different little softwares like, oh, use this for free and get this giant list. What's the other one? Amaze Owl or something? You get free and find all these free products and stuff. But what did people do before we had all these tools? What did people do before the internet? They would call their wholesaler, call their supplier, and they would say, hey, Bob, what is your best-selling product this past 2 months or so? Okay, what's a quote on that? All right, that sounds good. Give me 500 of those. And they would just kind of go on from that, right? So why not go straight to the source first, going on Alibaba, going to top selected suppliers, picking your category, and contacting these guys on an email follow-up every other month? Why not do that, right? That's what I like to do. So go check out, I'll put links to everything down below in the description, but it's just alibaba.com. You go up to services and membership, and then just go to, sourcing solutions, and then top selected suppliers. Go to alibaba.com, top selected suppliers, and then you can, choose a different category here, and then find who you want to contact. So these guys will tell you these suppliers are really killing it in this specific category. So you're going to go out and just go to the main category, find their email, and then just do like a really basic email, and then change it up every once in a while. Be like, hey, Paul, can you shoot me their top 10 best-selling products for 2018? Give me a quote for 500 each. and then take that info and then plug it into Amazon, and then see how many reviews, and if those products are really selling well on Amazon, because Alibaba is a wholesaler supplier for a lot of different marketplaces online. So someone could be buying from Alibaba and selling on eBay, or selling on Etsy, or any other kind of drop shipping, Shopify or something like that. So take that info and then plug it into Amazon, right? Rather than spending tons of time doing all of that kind of grunt work on Jungle Scout or Viral Launch, go through the supplier direct, having a big list of suppliers, and just having a constant email follow-up where you're not really doing all that work. You're kind of just getting the leads come into you, and then you're siphoning through that list, and then and building out your product list from there. So I would really recommend you guys checking this out, because it is something that a lot of people don't do, because they're just drawn right to these easy tools on Jungle Scout and Viral Launch. But if you build up your email follow-up, build up your email sequence, you'll be able to have these products come into you, and then maybe you do a product or two, you have a good amount of revenue, then you throw a virtual assistant on there, and it's just totally automated from that point of doing product research. Because like I just keep saying, it's inbound leads to you. They're saying, hey, we're selling a lot of these, check it out, here's a quote, go from there. And then decide if you want to change up the color, change it up, make it your own, so it stands out a little bit from everybody else who's selling on Amazon. So if you guys like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, because that's how I know to keep doing this kind of content. The only reason I'm doing other Amazon is because I got a little bit more views on the last video, so I just want to keep going down that route. But drop a comment, let me know what you think about this. Is it a good idea? Have you done it before? I really like it, so that's just my bias. But let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more Amazon stuff, if you want to see more real estate stuff, crypto, what have you, let me know, so I could find specific data that nobody's really talking about and be a really good value to you guys. So let me know what you think. And then there's another, actually I forgot to talk about this. There's another link I'll throw down below, but Alibaba has a list of best-selling products from verified suppliers. So that's really neat. You can go to different categories and then just kind of find some hot products that way. So you would take the main keyword, throw it into Amazon, and go from there, rather than just start from a total blank slate. You have a little bit of data, and then you could go and build off that way on Amazon itself, using these other tools that have some other info. Just to feel rest assured that you're going down the right route with these products, and you'll do pretty well. So definitely check it out, guys. And then, like I was saying about the email follow-up, use something like MailChimp or Aweber, whatever. Set up your store email, and then just have that email keep going out every other month, and bring your products into you, compile that data, and say, all right, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy that, and then just expand that way. So always keep updating your vendor list, and just keep that flow of products coming in. So if you guys like this, like I was saying before, I'd really love if you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to drop a comment. I want to know what you guys think of this stuff. So that's that for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.